And I honestly get very angry when people sit here and try to say that it's anything like Nazi Germany, because no, it is not. In fact, it is insulting to those who did suffer, die, and those who survived the atrocities that happened during World War II. How dare you? How dare you? What we suffer in our first world problems is absolutely nothing like what those people suffered under the boot of Nazi Germany. Read your history book, talk to an elder, but the things you suffer today do not compare to what the Jewish people suffered, people of color, disabled people, thank you, suffered during World War II.